Hello guys and welcome back to my channel I for Eyes Official. My name is Radhika Sharma. I am Masters in English and Masters in Education. I am also a certified IELTS and self-pip trainer. Today's video is about writing a Band 9 opinion based essay. Yes, I have heard many students saying that getting a band 7 is impossible in IELTS writing. It is not impossible, guys. We will follow a step by step approach. Let's start the video and see how you can achieve a perfect 9 bands in writing an IELTS. So, this is the question that we had discussed in the previous class also. I will share the link in the description. Due to the rapid development and expansion of supermarkets in some countries, many small local businesses are unable to compete. Some people think that the closure of local businesses will bring about the death of local communities. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Now, this is an agree and disagree essay. Either you have to agree or disagree. We will start it with planning, with understanding the whole situation, whole statement given, and that we had already covered in that earlier video. So I am going to skip that part. This is the ready introduction that I had created. Okay, so I will not speak on this now, and we will go back to the previous recording and then we will see it. So I will tell you today how you can write your main body paragraph. So main body paragraph consists of some elements. First of all, we have to start with the statement. The statement will be the statement of the first reason that we are going to discuss over here. Okay, I will explain everything in detail. After that, we will give the reason why we have written this statement. Okay, this reason should belong to the statement. After that, we will give the explanation, and then we will give an example. After the example, we will write a concluding statement. Okay, so first of all, we have started with the statement. The statement will be our first reason. First reason to support our view. Then we will give the reason for this statement, why we have written this statement. Then the explanation. In explanation, we can add the subpoints only to explain this statement. We will add an example. The example will also be related to this statement, and then we will add a concluding statement that is only to tie up this example with the statement. Okay, so all the things are here related to this statement. The statement is very, very important, and this is looks very simple. This is the most confused part for most of the students. Okay, students do not know, they do not get to understand that they have to do everything related to the statement. स्टेटमेंट ही सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है और उसी को लेकर आपको हर चीज करनी है. आपको रीजन देना है उसी स्टेटमेंट से रिलेटेड, क्यों आपने ये स्टेटमेंट लिखा है, उसी का एक्सप्लेनेशन देना है. उस एक्सप्लेनेशन में वी कैन ऑल्सो गिव सब पॉइंट्स just to explain that. Then you can give an example. Example will also be related, not related with the sub points, that will be related to the statement, and then the concluding statement. So let's see how our complete paragraph looks like. to begin with. To begin with means we are starting this paragraph with this. This is a cohesive device. It is very important for coherence and cohesion, the band descriptor for writing. Then this is our topic statement. टॉपिक स्टेटमेंट जो हमारा इस पूरा पैराग्राफ का जिस्ट है, and the whole paragraph is based on this topic statement only. What is this topic statement? That shopping centers have all the items tagged on shelves where customers can go and buy all the necessities at one place. Okay, so here I am not telling you that you have to write one topic statement in one sentence, then you will write the reason. No, you can also combine the topic statement with reason. जैसे हमने यहाँ पर किया है कि फर्स्टली हमने एक टॉपिक स्टेटमेंट दे दिया कि शॉपिंग सेंटर में हर चीज टैग होती है शेल्व्स पे, इसलिए कस्टमर्स वहां पे जा सकते हैं, दे कैन बाय ऑल द नेसेसिटीज एट वन प्लेस. दिस वाज आवर मेन टॉपिक. This gives them convenience as they do not need to go to the different places to purchase different products. Okay, ये हो गया हमारा रीजन इस टॉपिक को लेकर. हम इस रीजन को ऐड भी कर सकते हैं टॉपिक स्टेटमेंट के साथ, हम इसको अलग से भी लिख सकते हैं. द मेन मोटिव इज जो हम कहना चाहते हैं वो कन्वे होना चाहिए एग्जामिनर को. Then most of the stores even offer play zones and food courts where people of every age can enjoy themselves. Okay, so ये हमने इसकी explanation दी है. Then this is an example. Example will also talk about the topic statement. It will facilitate the topic statement. This is generally observed that most of the people go to superstores to shop where they can have their groceries and other important buys all at one place, and then in the end this is the concluding statement. Concluding statement is very important for band 9 essay. Okay, so there are some things which separate your essay with other essays, with other band 6, 7, 8 essays, and this is also one of such descriptor. So here you will tie up this example and you will not end it abruptly. You will tie up this example with the topic statement and then your paragraph will be complete. So guys, this is how we write the main body paragraph 1 of IELTS essay, a band 9 essay. And I hope many things are clear, but I don't expect that everything you will get to know from only this video. So you can start writing your own essay and you can get it checked from me. I will share the email in the description box and you guys can get your essay checked by me. In the next video, I will share the complete sample essay of a band 9 in opinion based essay. If you like this video, then please hit like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new to this and hit the bell notification so that you can get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Bye-bye.